Hello and welcome back. This is Rafi once again. In this video, I'm very excited to show you how you can scrape thousands of highly targeted business leads from Google Maps easily. Even if you don't know how to write a single line of code, or if you have never scraped data before, please watch this video till the end. We're going to scrape the data using a tool that doesn't require writing a single line of code. And after watching this video, you should be able to start scraping data of your leads. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process there. So here we go. I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see, I'm visiting Lead Sniper Tools homepage, and this is the tool that we're going to use to scrape data from Google Maps. And if I hover over here under products, you can see they are offering Google Map Scraper, Google Search Scraper, Yellow Page Scraper, and Domain Email Extractor tools. So basically, we're gonna talk about these tools later on another video, but let's focus on this one so that we'll be able to extract business leads from Google Maps directly. So I'm gonna click on this tool, and obviously I'm gonna attach the link of this tool into the video description for your easy access. So after visiting to this landing page, you can see they are offering free trial. That means we can try this tool completely free of cost. And after that, they works with one-time payment processing system. That means if you purchase the tool for one time, you can use this tool for the lifetime for unlimited leads collection. And the good thing is they are offering 24/7 live chat support, which is really important. So now I'm not gonna waste more time here. I'm gonna scroll a bit down. Basically, you can learn more about the features of the tool. As you can see, it is going to save you a whole lot of time, and then you will find many other options or the features available here. And here is how it works. So basically, you have to set up the extension, then open Google Chrome and start extracting data, which I'm going to walk you through in this video. So let me scroll, and we're going to find the use case for lead generation for cold email or phone outreach. People use this tool to scrape data for competitive analysis, market research, local SEO, or whatever purpose you have got. You can use this tool to scrape the data, and they're providing like 60 plus fields into the spreadsheets for the leads that you are going to scrape. So I'm going to find the pricing option. Here you go. Here's the pricing details. Simply spend a little bit of time and you can learn more about the offerings they're doing. But we are going to install the free extension now. So I'm going to scroll a little bit more, and then after that we're going to find this section, which is start your free trial today. And if you just take a look, they also highly recommend testing the tool before making a purchase. So what we're going to do now, we're going to download the Chrome extension. So let's click on add to Chrome, and after that it is going to take us to the new page, or to a new page. And from here we're going to find the latest updated tool here. So I'm going to click on download, and it should start downloading the tool into our computer. And here we go, it has been downloaded. Now we have to install the tool to our browser, so you can see the full details here, but I'm going to walk you through now. So let's click here, and after that I'm going to take you to the folder that we have just downloaded. And after that we have to unzip this. If you are using a Windows computer, simply extract the file. So I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to double click so that the file will be extracted, and here is the file that we have to upload to our Chrome browser. So to start installing the extension, now I have to go here and click here on these three dots of our Chrome browser. After that we're going to find this extensions option. Let's click on manage extensions option right here. It is going to take us to a new tab under this extensions page, and you might going to see that your developer mode is disabled. So make sure to click here so that the developer mode will be enabled, and you will see load unpacked, pack extension, or update option. So now simply we have to click here on load unpacked option, and after that we have to go here on downloads, and basically we have to upload this file which we have just extracted. So I'm going to select the file, and then let's click on select. And here you go, extension loaded. You can see that Lead Sniper Google Map Scraper has been added to our Chrome browser. Now we can simply click here on this extensions list, and then we can pin this extension right here for easy access. If I click here on this extension icon, we should be able to see that we can put keywords right here. We can put multiple keywords at once and click on start so that the tool will start extracting data for us. So let me take you here on this Excel spreadsheet or the Google spreadsheet, where I have got some locations here, and then I have got some keywords. So basically we are going after digital marketing leads. So I'm going to change the locations. For instance, I'm going to keep here, copy the London, which is the location for now. So I'm going to paste them here, London. So PPC agency in London, and then social media marketing agency in London. So basically these are my keywords. So you can basically get as many keywords as you want. So I'm gonna go with this as of now. So let me put the location London, then for this one London and London. Now I'm going to copy all these keywords from here, copy, and let's go back or click here on this extension again, and after that we can simply put the keywords right here. So basically I have added all the keywords that I have got here at once, and now if I click on start, you can see that it is going to load Google Maps here, and then it is going to curate the data from the Google Map listings. So let it give like 2-3 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and see how many leads it has generated for us. So if we click here, you can basically see so far it has already generated 20 leads for us, and within like few minutes we should be able to see more leads coming up. Or just take a look, while I'm talking, it already scraped 40 leads. So let's wait for a few minutes until the scraping gets done, and then I'll come back again. Alright guys, so it's been over 5 minutes now, and so far this tool has generated for me 399 leads, and it's on the 10th keyword. So basically in this keyword field you can put as many keywords as you want, and the tool will go for each of the keywords, and then it will try to get as many leads information as possible from Google Maps. So it's on the 10th keyword, and let's see what it provides me as the final results. So I'm gonna wait a few more minutes, or let's say how long it takes, and then I'll come back with the actual result for you. And here we go, all keywords are searched. So we are done. The scraping has been completed. It's showing that it stopped. Now we can simply click here on this export, so that it will show us the download as CSV or download as XLX. So I'm gonna go with download with CSV, and here we go, the file has been downloaded here. Now I'm gonna open this up right here, and now if I open this with, let's say, Microsoft Excel, and here we go. So this is the data that we have got from the scraping, and on the first field we are seeing, or the first column, we are seeing the keywords that we have provided. Then we have got the business name, full address, street address, city, country. Then we have got the phone number, which is one of the important fields for us. Then we have got the second phone number for important field for us, and then we have got email addresses. Let me see the emails. I was expecting only to get the business domain and the business name along with some other details, but I'm seeing it has already collected many of the email addresses for us as well. Let's just check this out. Here we go. It seems quite a good number of emails, and they have got another tool to extract email addresses with. So I'm going to make a video about that as well. But for now, it just collected already quite a few email addresses. That's really important and really helpful, I guess. And then we have got the website. So if I scroll this a little bit up, we're seeing like it has collected website for almost all of the businesses when the website is available. This is the important field, and from the website we can scrape other data, for instance the Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and email addresses depending on our need. And here is the field I'm seeing in without the, let's say, / and HTTPS. That's going to make our let's say data collection process much efficient. And after that we have got the categories and many other fields you're going to get from here. So depending on your need, you can keep the other fields or you can remove them to clean this spreadsheet up, but for me it's perfectly fine to keep. And these were the data that we have got from scraping by using this tool. So this is it, guys. They are providing many other options. As you can see here, if you go to Lead Sniper website, you'll see they're providing Google Search Scraper, Yellow Page Scraper, and Domain Email Extractor, which is really important. I'm gonna obviously make a video about this as soon as possible, because I want to get email addresses for almost all of the businesses which we have got here. We're gonna use these website domains. So this is it for this video, guys. If you have got any question, please feel free to let me know. And if you want to learn more about this tool, please feel free to visit their website, get as much information as you need. And if you need, you can contact them through their let's say 24/7 live chat option as well. If you have got any question, ask them. They're going to help you solve the problem. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.